Hi guys. So today we are going to practice some probability questions. If you want to learn about more about the probability and the lessons regarding it, you can check out my channel. So let's begin with this question. So here we have the first question is probability of A. This is a very simple question. It could be reframed in the following ways. Like it could be said, given that a person is chosen at random from the following set represented in the Venn diagram, find the probability of A. So basically the numerator here would be the elements of A, which are 0.2 plus 0.3, and the denominator would be the total elements, which are 0.901. So the probability would become 0.5 over 1, which is 0.5, right? So the next part is A complement. So we have to see how many elements are there outside the set of A, which are 0.4 and 0.1. So it would again become 0.5 over 1, which is 0.5. Then we have P of probability of A intersection B, which means inside A but inside B, which is 0.2, right? So it would be 0.2 over, because this part is the intersection, right? We discussed it in the lesson. So this part is the intersection. Yeah, this part is the intersection, which will be 0.2 over the total, which is 1. Okay, next is P of A union B. So that would be the entire thing, which is 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.4, which is 0.9 over 1, which is 0.9. Okay, and the next is P of A complement intersection B. So only the key thing over here is to identify the region. So A complement intersection B means outside A but inside B, which is this part. So it is 0.4, and obviously 0.4 over 1 is equal to 0.4. Then we have A complement union B, which is outside A and inside B. Outside A and inside B, which will be this region and this region. So this is 0.2 plus 0.4 plus 0.1. This is 0.7. Okay, so that is the A part, or this first part done. Now let's move on to the A part. Okay, so now we have this sign over here, which is basically this straight line. This shows that there is a conditional probability over here. So conditional probability questions are very simple. We only have to change the denominator over here. So here we have it could be reframed as probability of choosing a random person from group A, given that it is selected from group B, right? So the condition over here is that we are selecting the person from group B. So we have restrained ourselves to the elements of group B, which are 0.4 and 0.2, which means 0.6. Okay, and the numerator would still be the elements of A, which means that the elements of A inside B, which is 0.2. Okay, so this would become 0.2 over 0.6. For simplicity reasons, I am leaving it as it is, but you should simplify your answers in your exams. Next, moving on, we can see probability of A intersection given that it is chosen from B. Okay, so we are again limited to subset of B. B has 0.6 elements, and we can see that A complement has 0.4, this part, because the 0.2 is not there because that is not A complement, and 0.1 is part of A complement, but it is not from B, so that would also not be included. So the only thing that is included is the 0.4. Okay, so this is 0.4. This is this part. Okay, so now the next part is now just jump to the last part, P of A complement chosen from B complement. So we can see the B complement elements are 0.3 and 0.1, which means the denominator would be 0.4, and the A complement elements are 0.4, 0.1. So basically we are choosing from the B complement elements, which are 0.3 and 0.1. So the A complement elements come, the intersection comes, the common element is 0.1. Okay, so here comes 0.1. We can't write 0.4 over here because that is not B complement, and we can't write 0.3 either because that is not A complement. So we have to decide the numerator by the intersection of A complement and B complement. Okay, so that is it for the question. Meet you in the next video.